Have you ever wondered how the price of silver is determined on the stock exchange? Well, let's embark on a journey to unravel the story of silver. Silver, a precious metal known for its lustrous appeal and versatile applications, starts its journey deep within the Earth's crust. This shiny metal is extracted through an intricate process of mining, which involves locating, extracting, and processing the ore to retrieve the silver within. This process is a complex symphony of man, machinery, and nature working in harmony. The extracted silver then undergoes refining to remove impurities, resulting in the pure, gleaming metal that we all know and admire. But before this silver can dazzle in the market, it has to navigate through the intricate network of the global economy, influenced by factors such as supply, demand, and geopolitical events. Now that you know how silver is mined, let's delve into who mines the most. Who are the world's biggest miners of silver? Let's delve into the heart of the silver industry and meet the giants who rule this realm. Leading the pack is Mexico, a country rich in mineral resources, renowned for producing nearly 20% of the global silver supply. Not far behind is Peru, another powerhouse in silver production. Now let's shift our focus to the corporate world. The top dog here is KGHM Polska Miedź, a Polish company that extracted over 40 million ounces of silver in 2022. In hot pursuit is Fresnillo, a Mexican-based firm, mining over 30 million ounces annually. These titanic entities are responsible for mining millions of ounces of silver every year, shaping the global silver market in the process. With such colossal amounts of silver being mined, these silver giants play a significant role in determining silver prices. But what other factors affect its price? What drives the price of silver in the stock market? Let's delve into the various elements that influence this precious metal's value. At the core of it all, we find the age-old economic principle, supply and demand. When silver supply dwindles or demand spikes, the price tends to rise. This can be due to factors like increased industrial use, investor interest, or limited mining output. Then we have economic indicators. Silver, much like gold, is often seen as a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. So when the economy falters, many investors turn to silver, pushing its price up. Geopolitical events also play a part. Unrest, conflicts, or policy changes around the world can disrupt silver production or affect investor sentiment, leading to price fluctuations. Lastly, the strength of the dollar impacts silver prices. Generally, when the dollar is strong, silver prices dip, and vice versa. These factors, combined with the volumes mined, are crucial in determining silver prices. But what happens after the silver is mined? Once mined, where does all this silver end up, you may wonder? Well, the answer lies in the versatility of this precious metal. Silver finds its way into a myriad of global industries. In the realm of electronics, silver's exceptional conductivity makes it a key player. It's used in everything from mobile phones to high-end televisions. The renewable energy industry is another big consumer. Silver's role in solar panels is pivotal, as it forms the conductive layers of the photovoltaic cells that capture sunlight. Even your medicine cabinet may house silver. Known for its antimicrobial properties, silver is used in medical instruments and wound dressings. And let's not forget the traditional demand from the jewelry and silverware industry. The allure of silver has stood the test of time, with people around the world cherishing it for its luster and durability. The demand for silver in these industries significantly influences its price, but what were the biggest rises and falls in its price? Silver's price history has seen some dramatic turns. Over the centuries, this precious metal has experienced both soaring highs and plummeting lows. The most significant rise in silver prices occurred in the late 70s and early 80s, when the infamous Hunt brothers attempted to corner the silver market, sending prices skyrocketing. Conversely, one of the most notable crashes happened in 2011, when silver prices fell dramatically after reaching an all-time high. This volatility is not uncommon for silver. It's a testament to the metal's sensitivity to economic and political shifts, supply and demand dynamics, and investor sentiment. Despite these fluctuations, silver remains a valued asset in portfolios due to its intrinsic value and its use in various industries. Understanding these factors provides a comprehensive view of silver's price on the stock exchange. If there are other exchange instruments you're curious about, do share in the comments.